Yo, what's up, everybody? So, I figured I would come on here and make a quick, simple install video. It's nothing too crazy. For a while now, I've been looking for a phone mount, and I didn't want to go and get one from like Walmart or anywhere else because pretty much all I could find was the ones that suction cup or adhesive, and I didn't want to get adhesive all over the dash or the windshield. Like I just wasn't a fan of that, or I just don't want those. So I found a phone mount for specifically for E90s, from Michigan E9x. It it's a pretty good phone mount. I'm recording this after the install, and that's the phone is on the phone mount now. So I've used it for about a day or two, so I can honestly say that it is a really good phone mount and I enjoy it. But I've looked at, phone mounts like this. I wasn't a fan and I didn't want it, so I went ahead and made the purchase for this one, and I can honestly say that if you guys are looking for it, I would highly recommend it. It can hold pretty much anything. All right, guys, so we are inside the BMW at the current moment. So let me show you what we got here. So what I've got here is a phone mount attachment from E90X, and I've heard nothing but good things about it. It goes into your center right in between your two vents right here on your E90s, and I'm super looking forward to getting this installed. It comes with a very nice looking box here. Mine's looks a little messed up because I already opened it and ripped off the tape. But other than that, let's open it up. So it looks very secure and has a nice finish to it. Magnet seems very strong. It's got a ball. All right, guys, one thing I forgot to mention is it comes with this little baggie right here that has two extra locking screws, just in case you lose one, like during shipping, or you just happen to drop one somewhere, because they are small, so I would imagine they'd be pretty easy to lose. And then it comes with two magnets, and I think it comes with a thing to go over the magnet on the phone mount. All right, guys, so like I said before, your phone mount attachment from Michigan E90X, it covers this side right here, this little black piece. So it sits right between your vents, and it doesn't block either vent, which to me is a very nice thing. So what you're gonna need to get this simple install going is you're just gonna need a simple screwdriver right here. And so basically all you do is you just have to get up in there underneath the plate right here, and you just gotta pry it a little bit. Obviously you don't want to apply too much force to where you break this the black casing piece, and you just got to get in there, pry it up, and then go ahead and pull it out. Yeah, so all you're gonna want to do is just unplug these in the back here. Got that one. There's two of them, so make sure you get both of them. Get that pulled out, and then you're gonna be left with this piece right here. And so all you're gonna want to do is grab your phone mount that I apparently lost, and then you're just gonna want to cover it like that. And then this is what you got right here. It looks good. I will have to say it does look very good with this finish. And so what this piece does come with is it comes with the little Allen wrench. And so when you get it disconnected from these two cords right here, you're going to be left with this. So basically all you need to do from here is take your phone mount, test fit it, make sure that it fits properly and that there is no issues with it. And then once you guarantee that it can fit, you have 4 locking screws right here on the back that slide over the back plate of this right here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, make sure it snaps in there, and then we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna take, as I'm getting it all misaligned here, you're gonna take your Allen wrench here, these little locking screws here, and once you do that, once you get all 4 of them, you should be able to just snap it right back into place. So we got 2 out of 4 right now. All right, so once you get all 4 of them on there, like, see, it's all snug. Basically what you're gonna wanna do now at this point is you're gonna wanna take your 2 plugs right here, plug them right back in. Oh, get in there. Get in there. And then you're just gonna wanna, you can just basically snap it right back in. Oh, should be good. Gotta make sure those plugs work. Let me find the keys real quick. You gotta make sure everything works. Man, it says it's flashing. Yep. Everything still works. All right, guys, so this is basically what it looks like. It doesn't cover either of the vents, which is very nice. All right, guys, so unfortunately I can't show you guys putting my phone on the phone mount because my phone is what I'm using to record this. But I will say, God honest truth, it does work. It's very nice, it's very durable. Like, I can take it, move it, and then pop it back on there, and it doesn't move anything, doesn't slope, doesn't drag. You can swivel it, and it's very nice. I can honestly tell you that it's probably one of the nicest phone mounts that you can get for a BMW E90, E92, you know, any of the E90s. So if you guys are in the market for your E90 to get a phone mount, I would highly recommend going to Michigan E9x.com and picking this one up. I will leave a link down in the description to this exact phone mount for you guys. So much love to you all. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. I know this was a quick install video of something very simple, but I do have a video in the works right now with the Honda Civic. That'll be coming out soon. I was going to get one posted about a week ago, but it was kind of halted because I realized that I was missing a certain specific piece to get what I wanted done in that video. So I had to order that, and that just came in like the other day. So I will be working on getting that video made and up. So on that note though, look out for that. Much love to you all. I appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one.